Today, we are going to talk about malicious software. Malware, short for malicious software, refers to any intrusive software developed by cybercriminals to steal data and damage or destroy computers and computer systems. Common types of malware include viruses, worms, Trojan horses, spyware, adware, and ransomware. It is designed to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems. Here are some types of malware along with their definitions. Virus, a type of malware that attaches itself to clean files and spreads throughout a computer system, infecting files and programs. Worm, a standalone malware that replicates itself to spread to other computers, often exploiting vulnerabilities in software. Trojan horse, a type of malware that disguises itself as legitimate software to trick users into installing it, allowing unauthorized access to the user system. Ransomware, malware that encrypts a user's files and demands payment for the decryption key. Spyware, software that secretly monitors user activity and collects personal information without consent. Adware, a type of malware that automatically delivers advertisements, often bundled with free software. Botnet, a network of infected computers that are controlled remotely to perform malicious tasks, such as sending spam or launching attacks,